There's an herb that we were all, or most of us, was brought up with or familiar with. However, it was not introduced to us as a real potent herb, but introduced to us as a manufactured and processed candy that we're pretty much all of us are familiar with. Was a chewy, kind of dark taste and loaded with artificial sugars. It came in different colors. However, we were not told the truth growing up about this particular herb and the potent health benefits that it has. We just remember it as a chewy stick of candy. And that herb that I am speaking about is licorice root herb. It has potent health benefits created by the Most High for the healing of all mankind. Now, I'm not a medical doctor or nurse. This information is for educational, spiritual, and religious purposes. We must always keep in mind that in ancient biblical times, civilizations back then used natural herbal remedies. It wasn't anything unfamiliar or strange like it is today in certain parts of the world, especially in the Western world today, which we call, or what the Bible will say, Babylon, America, and the harlot countries that follow her ways and her practices. We have today where the so-called medicine that is being presented to people for years, this is something of ancient times that civilizations in the Bible time used natural herbal remedies. I didn't write the Bible, neither did you write the Bible. However, within the scriptures, as well as in ancient extra-biblical texts, it lets us know that herbs were being used even in other civilizations such as the Greeks, the Romans, the Middle East, what we call Middle East, the Asian countries, in which we know China and all other countries in those areas that even still today use natural herbal remedies for their medicine. Licorice root herb. It is naturally sweet and perhaps sweeter than sugar. It is also used to flavor foods, for baking, used in cosmetic and beauty products, and some even use this particular herb to make liquor. And most importantly, it is also used as a medicine for various ailments. Now, what are the health benefits of this potent herb? Well, licorice root herb helps with skin conditions. It helps to regenerate skin cells in combination with other herbs to heal and again regenerate skin cells. It helps with the inner linings of the stomach, such as hernias, along with other herbs. It helps with wounds, skin rashes, and other, again, skin problems such as eczema and psoriasis. It also helps with hair loss, strengthens and repairs hair breakage, helps the hair follicles. It also is good for stomach digestion. It encourages bowel movements, working as a laxative. It is good for teeth and gum health. It helps to remove bad bacteria, plaque, buildup, as well as can help to whiten teeth with a regular use of chewing the real licorice sticks. Stimulates the gums. It also helps with certain cancers, particularly around the colon, stomach, breast, ovarian cancers, and other types of cancers, in combination with other herbs that help and work together. It is also good for eye health. It helps to dissolve or get rid of cataracts and strengthens eye vision. It helps to eliminate or prevent cold and flu symptoms. It is also a natural sedative that relaxes and calms the nerves. It also helps with brain functions, improving the functions, memory, and can also possibly help with Alzheimer's. It helps with the immune system. It is an immune system stimulator, aids against infections and viruses. It improves symptoms of the throat and lung irritations, cough, urinary tract infections, adrenal fatigue, immune deficiencies, allergies, ulcers, liver disorders, and adrenal stress. Now, the makeup of this herb, the way the Most High created this herb, it helps to remove excessive mucus and protect barriers in the stomach, intestines, and respiratory tract. So this particular licorice root herb is a potent herb outside of what we were familiar with when we talk about licorice, or when licorice come up, it comes to our mind the licorice candy, of which when we were children that we used to buy, or our parents would buy for us in the store. But that's an artificial licorice. That particular licorice that was manufactured and produced was poisonous and deadly, outside of the real licorice root herb that has the potent benefits for the body. And as always, we must exercise caution and carefulness through the Spirit of the Most High, of course, when using herbs. And last but not least, this particular herb is antioxidant, anti-aging, anti-inflammation, antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic. This is indeed a potent herb called licorice root herb.